In today's video, I will be showing to you a new project. It is a smartest system of investing in BNB. So you'll be able to get a minimum of 7.8% daily ROI here. And it is called BNBPrime.finance. So if you haven't subscribed into my channel, please do subscribe right now. It is Crypto Addict here, back again with another awesome content. And let's just jump right into it. So this is very simple, guys. If you have a BNB, you have a BNB that is pretty much an extra, you will be able to use it inside BNB Prime app. So for you to deposit, just go directly here. So let's say my money is at let's say you want to invest around $50 or something, you can actually do it here. So let's just do it right now. So let's say you're going to put or invest 0.1 BNB, which is probably $50. Then in 18 days, okay, you'll be getting 0.174 BNB. Okay, so this is just how easy it is. You just click invest, and after that, just click the confirm button. Okay, so this is like the easiest project that you can join in. And as you can see at the top, right up top of the screen, it says transaction done. So if you're going to what do you call it, if you're going to refresh this, you will be able to see the amount of money that you've invested, and also the withdrawable, which is the dividends and the referrals. So this smart contract can be found at the lower part of the screen, and as you can see, there's more than $115,000 worth of BNB that are inside. And also you'll be able to enjoy some referral rewards if you're going to invite other people. So this has a 5 levels of referral system. So if you're going to use your link, so I'm also going to put my link into the description box below, you will be getting 5% referral reward. And then when someone refers other people, you will be still getting a referral reward. And after that, it is still a domino effect. So as you can see, you are compounding, or you are accumulating a lot of referrals, which are also going to add into your daily profit as well. So this is pretty much it. If you have any questions, you can go into the fact section of the screen. So for you to participate in BNB Prime, you need to install the MetaMask or also your Binance Smart Chain extension into your Google Chrome. And also this is fully verified. As you can see into this, it has a little check mark over here. It says contract source code verified. So it has been audited by Haze Crypto as well. So there's no vulnerabilities, no backdoors, and no scam scripts. And for you to be able to invest here, it's just very simple. If you have a BNB, just put it directly here, just deposit, and then wait up to 18 days, and then you'll be getting 170% profit, which is more likely 74% of your total money as well. So this is actually awesome because you do not need to put a lot of work here. And if you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask them into their official BNB Prime community group. So this is the BNB Prime community group. If you have any questions again, or you are having doubts or anything, you can just go directly here. And also some of these other people inside here are also reinvesting their money, which is actually awesome because you're getting 7.8 up to 17% daily ROI at this part over here. And for you to be able to check all of the updates and all of the news inside BNB Prime, do not forget to click this pin message over here, because you'll be able to see the announcements, official announcements here into this Telegram group as well, and also ask questions like what I've mentioned before. So this is pretty much it for BNB Prime, guys. I mean, this is pretty much self-explanatory. And if you haven't subscribed into my channel, please do subscribe right now. It is Crypto Addict, back again with another awesome update. and see you on the next video.